Johnny Rotten.
Why do you think it got this violent reputation?
I have no idea. It's probably slander.
What about the Ritz in New York when there was that mini riot?
That was more like a joke, wasn't it? I mean, the only people that got removed from the building was me.
Well, now, you came to the Ritz, which is a club in New York, attempting to do a live video.
And the audience presumed it was a live performance, as in gig, music, instruments, which it wasn't. And, well, they'd fooled themselves into thinking, wow, it sounds just like the record, until the record jumped. And then all hell broke loose. Come on, it's maximum good fun.
You didn't
I didn't plan it that way, no.
But you wanted a reaction.
I wanted a reaction, not quite that way, but I went with the flow. I'm quite good at that.
Why did you say for a long time that you wouldn't do any Sex Pistols songs, and then you did change your mind?
Because I felt pressurized into having to. But there aren't the shouts for them no more, so I thought it'd be quite nice to do it. And it was. It's my song after all.
Will you do it again, do you think, those songs?
I wouldn't plan it, no. It'd be mainly the new stuff.
What do you mean there's no shouts for it anymore? Do you think that it's just a whole new generation of fans and nobody really remembers this? And
well, I mean, I've made it clear that I wouldn't do old material if it was insisted upon, and now it isn't, so I just might from time to time, but I wouldn't really make it the be-all and end-all. It's the new stuff I'm more bothered with. I really like my new album, This Is What You Want, This Is What You Get, on Elektra Records.
Here's Johnny Rotten with Public Image Limited and Bad Life.